Hey everyone, if you want to use Workspaces in Vivaldi Browser in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to organize your tabs, switch between workspaces, and boost your productivity. First, workspaces are like separate tab environments inside Vivaldi. Yeah, you can keep work tabs in one space and entertainment tabs in another. Start by opening Vivaldi. Look at the top or side panel where the workspaces icon is located. Now click Add Workspace. Give it a name like Work, School, or Gaming. To switch, just click on the workspace name. Yeah, all tabs will instantly change based on the selected workspace. You can also move tabs into a workspace. Just right, click a tab and assign it to a workspace. For example, you can keep YouTube in Entertainment, Documents in Work, and Research in Study Workspace. If needed, you can rename or delete a workspace anytime from the Workspace menu. Vivaldi also supports shortcuts for faster switching between workspaces. Yeah, this helps improve productivity. If you use Vivaldi Sync, your workspaces can also follow you across devices. A common mistake is keeping all tabs in one workspace. This removes the whole purpose of organization. For best productivity, create separate workspaces for daily tasks like work, study, shopping, and entertainment. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Workspaces in Vivaldi Browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.